What's up, guys? In this video, we will be talking about crypto mining in general. This is going to be educational, so stay put. I'm not a professional advisor. Alright guys, so we have different websites that we are going to be accessing for this one, and will also be linked in the description of the video. That way you could do your own research as well. But let's get started with what we want to talk about. So what is crypto mining? So crypto mining is actually the process of validating transactions on a blockchain and adding them to the distributed ledger. All right. So this process involves solving complex mathematical problems using computational power. So I'm not a very good, yeah, I am. I love math, but not this type of mathematical problems. It's not going to be manual. It's going to be processed by a machine. All right. Now, it ensures that each transaction is secure and immutable. So mining plays a critical role in maintaining the security, the transparency, and the decentralization of blockchain networks, making it an integral part of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Now, how does it work, right? So that is the next question. Now, crypto mining typically operates under a proof of work. And I'm sure if you are with cryptocurrency for quite some time, you know what is POW already. All right, so miners can complete to solve the cryptographic puzzles. The first miner to solve the problem gets the right to add a new block to the blockchain. It is rewarded with cryptocurrency. So this process not only validates the transactions, but also introduces new coins into the circulation, sustaining the network. All right, so that is how it works. Now, the examples of popular crypto miners are, you have the ASIC miners, you have the GPU miners, and the cloud mining. ASIC miners, guys, application-specific integrated circuits is what it stands for. So it is a purposely built device that is designed for mining specific currencies. For instance, Bitcoin mining. So the Antminer S19 by Bitmain is the leading choice due to its high efficiency and hash rate. Now, the next one, which is the GPU miners, and that is the reason why 3 years ago, or 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago, yeah, because that's the time that I purchased my own personal computers. It's super expensive. GPUs are triple or 4 times the price when it was 3 years compared to what we have it right now. So GPU miners, or the graphics processing units, are versatile tools for mining cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and altcoins. So top performing GPUs include Nvidia GeForce RTX 3090 and the AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT, prized for their computational power and energy efficiency. So guys, compared to that, back then, I'm using an RTX 4070 Ti Super, and the price right now is at, I think, $950 or $1,000. Back then, imagine, it's just like, say, for example, just a 4070 alone could cost you probably $2,500 US back then. That is how insanely expensive that was. And it's because of the miners, because they are hoarding it. Now, that's when the law of supply and demand comes in. So there's a lot of demand, and that's the reason why the price is super high. All right, so moving on to the next one, guys, cloud mining. So for those without access to hardware, services like Genesis Mining and Hashflare offer cloud-based solution, allowing users to rent computational power for mining. All right, so the challenges now here, before I move on, guys, here are the best GPUs for mining based from the Minerstat website. All right, so hash rate, the mining power, the estimated daily profit, and all of that, you can check it out right here. Okay, now what are the challenges in crypto mining? Okay, crypto mining faces significant challenges, including high electricity consumption, rising hardware costs, and increasing mining difficulty. So additionally, guys, environmental concerns over the carbon footprint of mining operations have prompted the calls for greener solutions. All right, so now the future of crypto mining is evolving, and with the shift towards eco-friendly alternatives like the proof of stake, all right, recently adopted by Ethereum. Okay, innovations in hardware and software continue to improve efficiency and making crypto mining more sustainable and accessible. That is the reason why, the prices of the GPUs went back to normal. And thank goodness the price of GPU went down and I was able to upgrade my computer because it's hard. I mean, especially when I am doing editing. I'm not so much into gaming, but editing the videos that I upload in the channel. So I had to upgrade that to a better GPU right now. So we actually have talked about different types of mining and what cryptocurrency mining is all about. Go ahead and check out the channel. There's a ton of information that you could gather about cryptocurrency in there. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. I will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out.